Are you mad at me?
You mad at me? You wouldn't be mad at me?
Please don't be mad at me.
I'm sorry, is yours mad at me?
Why are you mad at me? He's the one who ate your father.
I don't really get why you're so mad at me right now.
Because you don't respect me.
Please don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad at you.
Was he hard on you?
He wasn't even mad at me.
I take it you're not mad at me anymore.
I wouldn't go that far, Professor.
Are you mad at me?
No. No.
Well, I guess that you're not mad at me, are you?
No.
I heard the professor was mad at me.
Well, who told you that?
A boy at school.
I know. You're mad at me because I emptied the checking account, but baby, I can explain.
Stay out of my life, Eddie. I mean it.
Corbin, I realize that you must be pretty mad at me. But I want you to know that I am fighting for a noble cause.
Yes, you're trying to save the world. I remember.
I know you're still a little mad at me. But I want you to know that if I had to have someone hanging next to me, I'm glad it's you.
What's wrong? Why are you mad at me?
I'm not mad. Celebrating a great gig.
Why are you mad at me?
I'm not mad at you.
It's just really important you do what I say. You're a good kid.
Why are you so mad at me?
I'm not mad at you.
You're very mad.
Look, this is my kitchen. I've worked really hard to get here, and I'm not gonna let you take it away from me, okay?
My mom's mad at me. She's mad, but not at you. She's mad at me and at your dad and everything, but it only feels like she's mad at you.